Welcome to English Listening Practice. This video is designed for learners of all levels. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin. Lila lives in Sunnytown. She is 8 years old. It is Saturday morning. The sun is bright. Lila feels happy. She wants to go outside. Lila says, "Ben, let's go to River Park." Ben is her brother. Ben is 10 years old. He says, "Yes, I want to play too." They take a small blue ball. They also take a banana and 2 cookies. Their mom says, "Be careful, stay near the path." Lila says, "Okay, Mom." Ben says, "Okay." They walk to the park. The park is not far. They see trees and flowers. They hear birds. In the park, Lila and Ben find a green grass field. Many kids play there. Some kids run, some kids ride bikes. Lila and Ben sit on a bench for 1 minute. They eat 1 cookie, then they stand up. Ben says, "Let's throw the ball." Lila says, "Yes." Ben throws the ball to Lila. Lila catches it. She laughs. She throws it back. They play again and again. The ball is fast, but Lila likes it. Now Ben throws the ball very hard. The ball goes past Lila. Lila turns and runs. Ben runs too. The ball rolls and rolls. It goes down a small hill. Then it rolls into a pond. Lila stops. Ben stops. They look at the pond. The pond water is brown and green. The ball floats near a rock. Lila feels sad. Ben feels worried. Ben says, "I am sorry, Lila." Lila says, "It is okay, but I want the ball." They look around. The pond is too deep. They cannot go in. Lila sees a man in a green jacket. He works in the park. He picks up trash. He has a long net. Ben walks to the man. Lila walks with him. Ben says, "Hello, our ball is in the pond. Can you help us?" The man smiles. He says, "Yes, show me." They walk to the pond. The man looks at the ball. He puts the net in the water. He moves it slowly. He lifts the net. The blue ball is in the net. Lila's eyes get big. She smiles. The man gives the ball to Lila. Lila says, "Thank you." Ben says, "Thank you very much." The man says, "You are welcome. Play near the grass, not near the pond." Lila and Ben go back to the field. Ben throws softly now. Lila catches the ball. She feels happy again. After that, they sit on the bench. They eat the banana and the last cookie. Then they walk home with the blue ball in Lila's hands. Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.